Why do 80% of FiveM players stick with default graphics? Because they haven't seen what ReShade can really do. Let's fix that right now. First up, let's clear up that hazy look. Turn on Luma Sharpen. Think of it like putting on glasses for your game. Set the sharpening strength to 2.0 and tweak until your textures pop, but don't overdo it or you'll end up in Minecraft mode. Next, boost clarity to cut through foggy visuals and add SMAA to smooth out jagged lines. Kind of like using a filter to hide your game's rough edges. Now let's make those colors sing. Crank up vibrance around 15 to give your world a splash of life. Curves and color matrix help fine-tune brightness and tone. Picture adjusting the contrast on your favorite Instagram post. For next-level depth, try MXAO and ambient light. Just keep an eye on your FPS counter. Pro tip, start simple, add fancy effects slowly, and always check your frame rate. And hey, download community presets to skip the guesswork. So, ready to make your FiveM screenshots look legendary?